Look no further than the wireless 29,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner. This innovative cordless handheld device offers unmatched suction power and versatility, making it a must-have for any car owner. With its impressive 29,000 pascals suction power, this vacuum cleaner effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, crumbs, and even pet hair from your car's interior. Its cordless design ensures complete freedom of movement, allowing you to easily reach tight corners and crevices. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, this vacuum cleaner provides ample cleaning time without the need for constant recharging. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and transport, so you can always have it on hand for quick touch-ups.